Yo, what's up guys? Thanks once again for tuning into the channel. I really appreciate your time, and I've got a pretty interesting video for you guys today. So basically, I have been watching around and I see a lot of YouTubers do those mystery boxes, right? And that is what I'll be doing today. So I've got one from Saintside. So Saintside's a local brand here in Victoria. They've been here around they've been here for ages. So January around 2009, I think, if I'm not mistaken. They do they restore vintage bicycle brands, that kind of stuff. And eventually they branched out to streetwear, which is pretty interesting. We always see them at all the swap meet events for Sneaker Freaker. I've seen them around as well in Sydney when they went to it's more than just sneakers lifestyle event. That was pretty cool. I also met one of the guys that runs the place, Mark. He's a pretty interesting fellow, that guy. The first time I met him I always usually see him around at Sneaker Freaker events, but the first time I actually spoke with him was at the SneakerCon here in Melbourne. And yeah, first impressions with him is just he's like a 6-foot dude that he looks like a bouncer, man. You say one wrong thing to him, he'll smash you. But when you actually speak to him, he's the nicest guy ever. He's so friendly. He's just such a good guy to actually speak to, and that goes for the rest of the guys at the Saintside crew. And that's why I just wanted to actually try this one out, because there are heaps of mystery boxes out there on eBay and all these other different kind of companies that are doing it. But I wanted to do something that was more where I was supporting your local businesses and stuff. And Saintside is a local business. They first started off having their shop in the St. Albans area, and now, if I'm not mistaken, they've got a city store in Melbourne City, and they're growing. They're doing all these really good things, and that's why I decided to actually take up this challenge and take up the Saintside mystery box. Now, before I get started, I just wanted to say that, guys, if you can really support your local brands, that is the really more responsible thing to do, instead of buying from brands that are already so big, let's say Supreme or other bigger brands like that. I'm not saying that Saintside isn't big, they're really popular, but you should be supporting your actual local communities and stuff like that. So I really highly suggest that if you guys do think about streetwear, support your actual locals, because these guys, they've been doing it for a while. They've grown so much. So let's continue to support our local brands and businesses, because that's what Australians do, mate. They back up one another. So another thing about Saintside that I wanted to talk about was that they actually do engage a lot with the actual community. If you guys don't know, they hold a yearly event called Saintside Day. It's usually around February. Basically, they gather up all the really those vintage bike enthusiasts, people who have really cool cars and stuff like that. It's all just one really cool day where they can all just gather, have a good time. Wear your whatever you like, kind of stuff, and then you just meet up with everyone and just have just meet up with a great bunch of guys, having a good time with everyone's company. That's the kind of the thing that they encourage there at the Saintside Day. It doesn't matter what tax bracket you're in, kind of how much money you make, or how how hype your sneakers are, or how expensive your actual car is and all of that stuff. It's just all about appreciating it's good taste in bikes, cars and streetwear. It's really cool how they support the actual community, and that's something that we should really get behind as well, because supporting your local brands is really important, and stuff. And if you guys actually meet the guys from Saintside, they are so cool, man. Mark and the rest of his crew, they're so nice. They're so funny to hang around with, man. They always just, whenever I meet them at events and stuff, they're always just down for a big laugh, man. And that's why I really like supporting brands like Saintside, brands like the TKS brand and all that kind of stuff, the cocaine brand. They're doing all their things, and they're getting really good traction, and that's why I'm so happy for them as well. That's kind of stuff that I've always wanted to get involved with. especially with the upcoming sneaker freaker swap meet event. That'll be fun too. So I hope I'll be able to see you guys there as well. But before we talk about all that kind of stuff, let's get into this unboxing of this Saintside mystery box. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this box, the package did actually come with the box. I just thought it looked nicer looking for a box and making it actually look like a box instead of just like a package. Anyway, good old faithful scissors. Let's get into this real quick. Oh, actually, I don't need scissors. I can just... Oh, yes, I need the scissors, man. My fingers hurt. So before I move on, I wanted to say that this Saintside mystery box I purchased online on the actual Saintside, Saintside.com site. And it was I was looking to buy like other things, but then when I saw the actual mystery box, I thought that was the most interesting thing. They had nunchucks, they had all these kind of hoodies and all these other stuff that I actually wanted to purchase, but the mystery box just had to get me. Like, oh man, like, oh, like what can I get for like, and I think they were saying that you get like 70% off stuff, but what I understand from like previous mystery boxes is that when you purchase one, basically brands like to put all their non-popular items into the box so that they can like kind of move their stock kind of thing. So like, not to say anything bad, but like I am not expecting the most like like the best things, the best items from this actual mystery box. If they do, like, I'll be really happy. But I'm just setting my kind of standards a little bit low, so I'm not like so shocked later on. It's like, oh man, I expected more and all that kind of stuff. So I'm just being real. But it's okay if it's not. If it's not, I'm still happy because I'm at least supporting a local brand. And yeah, I'm still happy because I'm pretty sure I'll still get some items that I can still use, or that could still look cool. Alright, so the first bag that comes out of this is this one. Now I'm just gonna read what it says here. So if you guys don't know what the actual website is, I don't know if you can see it there. It's got Saintside down there, Saintside.com. It says mystery pack. Alright, let's read it. I don't know if you guys can see it. Mystery pack, large, $100. That's how much I actually paid for it online. It says this pack contains over $220 recommended retail price of clothing, accessories from the Saintside store. Each item is picked carefully according to fit, mix, and value. No exchange, no refunds. What's the last bit? Oh, it says enjoy. So that's what it says on the actual package. It's pretty cool notes. Probably like a little bit of a disclaimer as well, just in case people don't like it and stuff. But it's pretty cool. They actually did like drawings on it and stuff as well. It's like flowers and all these kind of different graphics they did. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's actually get into the actual mystery box. So I can see a few clothing items already. Okay, so let's just start from whatever I get from the top. Ooh, whoa, what the heck? There's heaps of stuff in here. Okay, so from this item, there's like a bag of goodies in this one. I can see a beanie. Let's open it up. So opens this up. So the first thing that I can see here is like a notebook, a black grenade notebook. Interesting. I wonder what it is. So if I open it, does it explode? No, it doesn't. Okay. Oh, that's pretty dope. Okay, so it's like a notebook that has a grenade on it, and like you pull it, nothing happens when you pull it. Oh, it's got like numbers on it. Oh, so it's sort of like a notebook to write all your ideas on. It's not so much a planner, but this will come really handy, especially when like I need to write down all my ideas and stuff. So this is pretty cool. So the next thing I could really see that's really dominant and attracts my eye is this actual beanie. It's got like this brand. What's this? It's Lofo. The brand's Lofo. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. I don't have a red beanie actually, so it's so cool. Let's try it on. There. So that's pretty cool. I got a beanie, Lofo. I don't know what it stands for. Lofo. It says it right there. That's cool. I'm pretty sure I can use this eventually, especially because it's getting really cold here in Melbourne at the moment. Put this down there. Next, I think I'm pretty sure I got some stickers over here. We've got Saintside. We've got the Saintside, pretty sure that's like sort of like the Supreme Saintside style. We've got the Gatorade Saintside sticker. That's pretty cool. They got the Harley Davidson sticker, Saintside. And they just got a normal like aviation style Saintside. And I'm pretty sure I can use all these kind of, oh there's more, sorry. They got the motorsports one. Oh, and they got this, oh I forgot what style that is, man. It's sort of like a Miami Vice. Pretty cool stickers. I'm pretty sure I can use those in the future. It's got this air freshener, a big Suge scent new car. With all your negotiating and imitating, we know you're too busy to keep your car fresh. So just throw this one over your rear view and let it dangle like vanilla ice from a balcony of a Hollywood hotel. We promise that this air freshener will never be all in the videos, all on the records, dancing. And it's got all the rest of the social media hashtags. I don't know who this is. This is like California State Night M. I don't know who it is. But it's gotta keep my car fresh because it's stanky right now. Oh, and it's also this really cool. Oh, it's got this like really cool like hot dog pin. I'm pretty sure I can put that on something. So the next item I can see on top is, it's like a shirt. Whoa. So it's like a shirt like this, and it's got Saintside in white on the side. Pretty cool. And it's got Saintside on the other side as well. So along the, it's like a long sleeve tee with Saintside, like just like a white hint. That's what it is. So it's like a really subtle Saintside kind of shirt. It's pretty dope. I've got something to use now, especially this is gonna be really useful, especially now it's winter, so I can put something underneath. Maybe for those not so chilly days, I could probably wear this out. I'll leave that over there. I think there's only one more item in here, what it feels like. Let's see if I'm right. Yeah, that's it. So this is the last item, guys. And it looks like a polo tee. Does it have anything here? Oh damn, it's got like they left the price tag here of $139. Big polo shirt, large. Nice. So it's got this big polo shirt here. Really simple. I don't think it has a brand on it. It's pretty cool. Pretty sure I could use this sometime. A very semi-casual look as well. Pretty sure this could go with a lot of like different kind of like outfits and stuff. So the brand is actually extra large. Pretty cool brand. So this is sort of like the mystery pack that I've just reviewed. Basically, yeah, there's got a lot of cool items here. A lot of useful items as well. I'm pretty sure there's nothing here that I won't be like, oh, I'm just gonna throw this away, I'm not gonna use it. Nah, I'm pretty sure I could use all these items. These are some pretty cool items, and you know, very interesting as well. Like I didn't expect to actually get this one, and I don't know, my wife might be like, who's that guy? Who's M. Knight? Or I'll be like, I don't know, man. We're gonna have to look him up. But he went to prison, and yeah, and now he's making my car smell nice because he's on my car freshener. And I've got a notebook as well, so to jot down all my super hot fire raps and stuff. I don't know, ideas I need to write down. I could put them down on this, and hopefully they don't explode. They put the grenade there because they know all my ideas are gonna explode with fire, bro. And I've got a beanie and I've got 2 shirts. And this looks really thick as well, so I'm pretty sure they're gonna keep me warm, especially come this winter. This whole box, you get everything like returned already, like price-wise, just from this t-shirt alone. So that's pretty cool. So once again, guys, thanks once again for actually tuning in and watching this video. Don't forget to support your local like businesses and stuff like Saintside. They do such a really good job, especially hanging out with the community. They do all these other things as well. I know they do like every now and again they do like food. I don't know what it's called there, where they just get bring food out on like for everyone in the street to actually enjoy, that kind of stuff, where they just like, yeah, just want to hang out with the actual neighbors and the actual neighborhood and that kind of stuff, which is really cool. And guys, check out the actual website, because they actually have so much dope stuff on the actual website. I saw all these like basketball singlets. They had basketball there as well, like they can actually buy, and it says Saintside. It's like an outdoor basketball that I think I might have to get one of those. I'm gonna have to go purchase some more stuff eventually in the future. But yeah, once again guys, thanks once again for watching this video. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you love your local groups like Saintside, like all the other groups out there, especially with all the kind of different events coming up, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe guys. So once again, this is KIXPLORE signing out. Peace. Oh, I farted. Oh, yeah.